Cathie Wood is obsessed with NIO. This is why. NIO to $500. NIO to be $500. Why is Cathie Wood obsessed with NIO? Cathie Wood makes a significant investment by purchasing NIO stock for the very first time after dumping Tesla shares. So welcome to Stock Market News, you all. We are back with another interesting video. Today, we are going to talk about Cathie Wood's obsession with NIO, so without any further delay, let's get into the video right away. Cathie Wood, a well-known investor, has a bullish outlook on the electric vehicle business because it aligns with her policy of investing in industries that are prepared for disruption and innovative growth, including autonomous technology. In a recent interview with Barron's, Wood made the bold prediction that EV sales will skyrocket from their current level of 4.8 million units in 2021 to 40 million units in 2026. Wood is an investor in several electric vehicle companies, but the one that has stood out the most thus far is Tesla. As of March 28th, the stock of Tesla accounted for 7.54% of the total value of all of ARK Invest family of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. As point of fact, Tesla is Wood's largest position. But this is after Wood sold almost 146,000 Tesla shares on March 25th. But before that, Wood sold Tesla shares in the month of January. This month, Cathie increased her stake in Warren Buffett-backed BYD by over 65,000 shares, bringing her total BYD holdings to $1.486 million. 98,964 shares of BYD were purchased by Mark's Fund on November 30th, 2021 at a price of roughly $5 per share. The fund also just purchased 56,159 Exponent shares for the fourth time this year, taking advantage of the price drop. The ARK Fund has invested more than $19 million in Xpeng, which ranks 20th out of 37 companies. So why would Cathie Wood sell Tesla? Let's look at how much Tesla is worth in ARK funds. 10.75% in the ARK Innovation Fund, 11.5% of ARK Robotics, and 9.53% of ARK Next Gen Internet. In a recent interview, Kevin O'Leary acknowledged his admiration for Cathie Wood's because she places a large bet on individual companies. For him, diversification and reducing stocks with more than 5% of their portfolio's value is just a bit of trimming. In his opinion, ARK still has a lot of faith in Tesla and could easily reduce its stakes in each fund to 5% without causing any negative impact. What did ARK buy instead of Tesla's main competitors, NIO and BYD? As soon as the fund's management staff saw the opportunity, they leaped at it. Stock in NIO and BYD both gained in the last trading session. At the end of 2021, the acquisition of a Chinese company is a hot topic in interviews. Cathie would say she didn't believe much in Chinese stocks and that the situation for Chinese companies listed in the U.S. was hard to predict, but her team has still started buying Chinese EV makers. What is perhaps more unexpected, though, is the electric vehicle stock that Wood purchased on the same day is NIO. March 25th, the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF disclosed a purchase transaction consisting of 420,057 NIO shares. Even though Wood has reduced the value of her stake in Tesla stock, this does not necessarily indicate that her conviction in the company's stock has decreased. Nevertheless, the fact that she made her very first purchase of NIO stock merits a great deal more consideration from investors because it demonstrates Wood's confidence in the Chinese electric vehicle business. So why did NIO catch Cathie Wood's attention? It shouldn't be a surprise that Wood is interested in Tesla, because Tesla already has almost 1 million cars on the roads and its sales have expanded tremendously over the past few years. It will be difficult for other companies to match or even catch up to the company's position in the electric vehicle sector. However, the level of competition is rising, and Wood doesn't appear to want to pass on any opportunities that electric vehicle businesses other than Tesla may present. NIO is sometimes referred to as the Tesla of China, and the company has even stated that it intends to sell products that are superior to those sold by Tesla at prices that are lower. The fact that Wood purchased NIO stock just one day after the release of the company's earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year 2021 indicates that something in the report attracted Wood's eye. I think it's because the electric vehicle maker wants to grow. Now, let's discuss NIO's big plans. NIO's CEO said that the company expects to deliver between 25,000 and 26,000 vehicles in the first quarter of 2022. In January, NIO delivered 9,652 units and another 6,131 in February, reaching a total of 15,783 vehicles. Based on the calculation, the company was to deliver 9,217 to 10,217 in March. This puts the company at the lower end of its guidance range and puts it approximately on a level with its previous excessive performance. It also highlights the significant supply limitations the company is currently facing. But NIO isn't as worried yet, and for now, they don't plan to raise the prices of their cars to cover the higher costs. In contrast, Tesla just recently increased the prices of its electric vehicles not once, but twice in a couple days. More importantly, NIO is not deviating from its plans to introduce 3 electric vehicles this year in spite of the difficulties it is facing. Since the delivery of the business's flagship sedan, the ET7 began on March 28th, the company appears to be on track to meet its goals. It is expected that NIO will introduce the ES7, the company's first SUV, in the following weeks, and the ET5, the company's first midsize car, later in the year. As NIO continues to broaden its product portfolio, the company's revenue should also increase. In 2021, NIO delivered 91,429 automobiles, which contributed to the company's revenue of $5.6 billion. And NIO already has a presence in countries other than China, and the company intends to make Europe its next primary market for electric vehicles. This year, NIO plans to launch in at least 4 countries across Europe. NIO's long-term goal is to launch a mass-market brand that will produce cost-effective electric vehicles with prices ranging from $30,000 to $50,000 per unit. NIO has its sights set on 2 of the major electric vehicle markets in the world, so the firm has a significant opportunity for expansion if it's able to carry out its strategies as intended. NIO also has a significant competitive edge over its competitors in the form of its Battery as a Service program, or BaaS, which might give it a lead, especially during these times of rising inflation. BaaS prospective customers are provided with the opportunity to save thousands of dollars by purchasing cars without batteries, and as an alternative, paying a monthly subscription fee to swap and charge batteries on demand at NIO swap stations. BaaS also provides customers with the option to buy batteries separately. According to the website CNEV Post, which focuses on new energy vehicles, NIO had 864 battery swap stations and 760 supercharging stations in China as of the 20th of March. NIO also showed how flexible it was when it quickly listed its stock in Hong Kong at the beginning of March as the threat of Chinese stocks being taken off the U.S. market grew. The most essential thing to note is that NIO recently stated that it might achieve financial stability as soon as the fourth quarter of 2023, and that it could post its first annual profit the following year in 2024. NIO seems confident about its skills, despite operating in a sector where increasing production while maintaining profitability is a difficult challenge. That is the thing that appears to have caught Cathie Wood's interest, and it appears that she bought the dip in this popular electric vehicle stock. Should you invest in NIO Inc. right now? Before you think about NIO Inc., you should know this. NIO was not included on the list of the 10 best stocks for investors to purchase right now that was just released. Motley Fool Stock Advisor is an online investing service with a record of success that is 3 times better than the market overall. In addition, they believe that there are 10 different equities that are better for buying right now. So, that's all about this video. I hope you like the information given in the video, and if you have anything else on your mind, feel free to comment below. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. And hit the bell icon too to get the notification of the latest updates on the channel. And thanks for watching.